Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Yes, good morning to all. Shall we start? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start now. So now we are going to discuss about the CSS measurements. Yes, in the previous class we have seen some of the measurements, like how to change the font size in terms of millimeters, how to change the font color. We have seen in the previous class. Now we will see how to change the font families. Font families, how many are there? N number of families are there. N number of families are there. I'll show you the some of the font families. Then we'll move into the programming. Yes, this window is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see font family. So most of the people knows MS Office. Yes, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. So in that, if you see in the home, here is see this one. Is it visible? Calibri is there. If we click on this, font family appears. See, these are all what? Font families. How many are there? N number of is there. Different languages are there here. Maybe more than 100 is there. More than 100 families are there here. Font family. Yes, is it visible to you? Font families?
Yes, sir.
Font families are
Yes, sir.
visible. These are Wild, Latin, Windows, Windows 1, Windows 3, Euclid. All these are the families.
Oh,
This we call it a font families. So generally we use like a Calibri by default Calibri also will use. Okay, Arial narrow times New Roman, then Arial block, Arial narrow, Arial rounded. So these things will use generally, but depend upon their country. So the country is different; they use their language, their font. Suppose in Indian language is there, Indian fonts are very different. Within India, nearly 20 to 30 literatures are there. That means 20 to 30 languages are there. Yes or no? Here is related to here in the Marathi, not there, but it is there in suppose if in install separate software that will appear. That is also font family: Hindi, English, Marathi, then Bengali, Gujarati, In India, each state is having its own mother tongue. So that one type of font family. So generally we prefer for English. So English is a one type of font family. So these are all font families. Okay. These are all what? Font families. This is font size. Then this here is indicates what? This one like a in the form of text paragraph. What is the line gap between one line to another line? 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0. Then line spacing is there. Add space before, remove space before. These are all things are. So this we can do in programming. We no need to apply this for our paragraph, but to directly we write the program for a particular paragraph that will apply, that is applicable. Now we'll see some of the font families. Some of the font families. Okay. Is it appearing CSS font? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So CSS font. So in this font, what is there? Font family is there. Font size is there. Okay. So this is some of the font fam about relating font properties. CSS font property is used to control the look of a text. Major use of this one is what? CSS font is what is use of this? CSS font property is used to control the look text, in which manner you have to be represent your text. Okay, that's it. That's the thing. Next, by the use of CSS font property, you can change text size. You can change the text size, color, style, and more. You have already in the previous class we have I told you what are the things we studied. Okay, next. So we have seen the font size in the form of percentage, also in the body color. Okay, now we'll see these things. These are some important font attributes. Font color is a font attribute, family is a font attribute, size is a font attribute, style is a font attribute, then variant is a font attribute, then font weight. Font weight is also a attribute. So there are 6 attributes are there for font. Font color, font family, font size, font style, font variant, font weight. So these are the things. Let us see some of them. Already we have seen font color in the previous programming. No need to go back again. Okay. In the previous program, whatever I executed, whatever you have seen in the previous class, that is related to font family. Sorry, color. This property is used to change the color of a text. Standalone attributes. Okay. Next, CSS font family. This property is used to change the face of the font. Now we'll see this font family programming. Font color programming. In the previous class, I executed this one. Already I uploaded in the group. You go through that one. Now we move to the font family. So font family, CSS font family can divide it into 2 types. First one, generic. Generic family is there. Generic family, it includes serif, sans serif, and mono serif. I'll show you what is the means by sans serif and mono serif. I'll show you that one. Now, second one, font family. It specifies the font family name like Arial, New, Times Roman, etc. So just now I have shown you all these things. These are our second category. All these families of what? All whatever is there. These are all what? Second category, font family. Okay. Next, generic family means just for particular 3-4 terms are there. I'll show you that one. Now, serif fonts includes a small lines at the end of characters. Example, serif, Times New Roman, Genre, Giorgio, etc. Next, sans serif. A sans serif font does not include the small lines at the end of characters. Example, sans serif, Arial, or Dana. So just see, these are the examples. You see this one. This is sans serif. style, font style. Here is the edge. For this letter, for edges, there is no extra line is included. Serif, there is a edges, some extra line. Here also some extra line. Here also some extra line. Here also some extra line is included. Sans serif red. Sans serif red. So wherever the corner places are of this letter, here is the bottom place, last place, last place, last place. That appears in the red color. This is the one generic font family. This is what? Generic font family. Next, we'll execute this program. I'll show you this. Carefully observe this. Just whatever you want to font family. This is the syntax. Whatever font family you want, right? Font family, then font name. This is a syntax of just make it. This Jangade just meet yourself. Voice is coming from you. Purva Gopali. Look at this one. How to change font family? This you have to remember. Purva Gopali. What happened? Font hyphen family. This is family. Colon. So whatever family you want to specify, here you specify. Colon. Here is what? Arial. Then semicolon. Open brace. Close the brace. You specify any tag, selector. Any selector, any tag, for example, paragraph. So whatever you write inside of the programming, so for this applicable, this Arial font is applicable this inside the body, whatever you write inside the body, then this is a paragraph, P tag, within the P tag, whatever you write, then body is closed. Then HTML is closed. HTML is closed. Here is HTML is open. Okay. So whatever this is what selector is there in the selector. What is description is there in the description. You need to specify font family. Why the name is family? Anybody? Yes. More than one types of text change text formats are there, so that is why we are using that name as a family, because n number of in India nearly 20 font families are there. Maharashtra, Marathi language is there. Andhra, Telugu language is there. Madhya Pradesh, Hindi language is there. Go to USA, English is there. UK, English is there. Australia, English is there. Japan, Japanese is there. China, Chinese is there. So this each country is having its own mother tongue, its own language. So its own font style is there. They may like it, they may not like it, but they can keep it according to their wish, will and wish. So generally in India, we'll prefer in education system English. Overall, me and you all the people. When it comes to respective local language, we prefer for local language. For example, here is local language. What is there? Marathi. So we will prefer for Marathi language. So that you need to be remember. Okay. So why it is family means because more than one language is there. So that is why we call it as a family. So this is the syntax. You need to be remember how to set family, how to set font style for a given paragraph or for any kind of web page. Once I'll show you this one. Carefully observe all font family. This font hyphen family all should be in small letters. We remember always in CSS HTML PHP code should be always small. All tags and properties. Then colon. A can you give this what Calibri. Calibri. Okay. Then semicolon. Close the brace. Open the brace. Keep here any tag. For example, H1 I am keeping. H1 tag. Here is HTML. Open. Open. Body is open. Then write some other tags here. Then some paragraph, some H1 tag here. Right here H1. H1 data related to H1. Just I am writing hi. H1 will be closed. Then body is closed. HTML is closed. So this is the format. In this we can write the programming. We want change. So this H1 will be affect on this text only. So whatever Calibri is there, so Calibri text format appears. Suppose you keep Arial here, Arial will be effect on this here. Will be effect on this. Whatever font family is specified, that font family is specified in a particular tag. Which tag ever you are applying for that tag, it will be applied. For example, here is what? Suppose specify P paragraph. Here also you have to specify paragraph. Then only it will be succeeded. Paragraph font style is Arial or else Calibri or any other thing you can keep. Got it? This one, all of you? Anybody is having any doubt? Yes? How to change font family? Yes? Anybody any doubt? Are you connected? You people? Yes? Aishwarya Bisane? Aishwarya?
Yes, sir.
Have got this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Pratik Kaware. Pratik,
Yes, sir.
have got this concept?
हाँ sir.
Okay. I'm checking. People are just connected or you are doing your own business. Huh? People
Sir,
are, Mr. Deep Ambule. Have got
hello
this?
sir. Hello.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat this topic? Shortly repeat you this, sir, please.
Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. So carefully you connect this one and listen, then you will get the concept. Okay. So thing is what? Carefully observe. We want to change the font style. Font means what? There are some type of text. Suppose you have written some text here. Some text in the sense some information. Hi is some information. Hi, how are you? Okay. This is what some information is there. Okay. So this is some information. What is this? This is some information is there. So this is we call it as a text information. Text. So this text, for example, it is there in Arial. Think this one. For example, Arial. This text style is what? Text format is what? In Arial is there. So you want to keep this in an Arial. How to write code using CSS? So this is the code you have to write like this. Font hyphen family font family colon Arial semicolon and close it. Suppose you want to apply, this is a paragraph. You want paragraph, this is a paragraph. You keep here a paragraph tag. Then here what? In the programming like this. Here is paragraph. Open the paragraph. Then close the paragraph. You applied Arial for this data. So that is why you keep here is what? Your font family is what? Arial. If you then you execute, your text is appear in a output appears in a Arial format only. Getting my point? Yes, have understood all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go to the programming. Now we'll move to the program. First, I'll execute this example programming. Later, I will change this programming style. This one, I'll execute first this one. Yes, this program is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you see this one here is what? Font family we kept here, sans serif monospace. So generic font family we'll see first, we'll execute this one. Then after that we'll go to the next example. Okay, I'll change this one. Execute first this one, I'll show to you. Just a minute. Yes, now we look at the output, all of you, once. Yes, you look at this output, all of you, once. Output is visible to you.
माझ्यासाठी पण ठेव मम्मी.
Yes, output is visible to you, all people.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You see, this is what? Sans serif. This is serif. This is mono space. How this is corner? This is what? Just normal plain letters are there. Getting plain letter, no change. There is no corner place having some extra. So here is added T. T is added something like this. Checking my point. Bottom, left and right. Here also F. Extra line is added. Next, this is what? Monoserif letter. So this is a simple example. Now I'll come to our general example. Okay, I'll show you the general example. Coming into this only. Okay, font family. Yes, this program is visible to you. This program is visible to you. Yes. Nobody answer. Yes, is this program is visible to you? Hello.
Output.
Not output. Program is visible to
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll keep that our computer. Suppose font family I want to keep is Arial. 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 Then I want to keep a font family Times New Roman. Times Arial Times New Roman times New Roman times New Roman. And any other family, tell me, any other family? Anybody? One is Arial, one is Times New Roman. Any other family, anybody can tell me?
Sir, Calibri.
Okay, Calibri. Calibri. Yes? Calibri. So these we keep. So for H1 data should be Arial. Arial block, I'll make it easy to remember. Arial block. Arial block.
Yeah.
Times
Sir,
New Roman,
output.
Calibri.
Sir, only output will show on the share screen, sir.
1 minute, one. I'll share. I'll share the program. Don't worry. Yes, is it visible program now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we are changing the font family. One is Arial block. Then second one is what? H2 is what? Times New Roman. Third one font family. So this will be effect on this. Whatever is there here, this will be affected to here. Okay, getting my point? Here we'll change no monospace, no serif. We'll change here Arial block, Arial block, Arial block. Here is what? Simply I make it times Roman times. Next I'll make it here Calibri. Calibri. Okay. Now I'll save this program. Now, yes, all of you got it how to change. Only you need to remember this only, this coding. Then automatically this will be effect on your coding. Okay. Now I'll execute this program. Yes, you look at this. Yes, look at the output. I'll show you output. Yes, output is visual to you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is Arial block. This is a Arial block. Okay. This is a Times New Roman style. This is what? This is a paragraph written is a Calibri. So this in this way you can change your text. Whatever family you want, you can keep it. One more family, different family, I'll keep it once. Just wait. I'll change the program. What is the next family? I want to keep it some family. Here is families are there. Algerian, Algerian. Algerian family is there. I'll keep it Algerian family once. Algerian. Algerian. I'll check it once. Al. There is one more family I am changing here, Algerian family. Just I'll show you this program. People. So here I am changing Algerian. See, this is a one type of family. Maybe belongs to some other country, African countries. Okay, this is a Algerian family is there. I will run this one. I'll show it to you all. Is it visible this one? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All people are not telling. Only one or two telling. Others are simply connected. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Okay, I changed this one Algerian. Now I'll run this one. We'll see how it looks like. I'll run and show this one. Be connected on. Yes, look at this now. This is Algerian family. I'll show you this one output. How it looks like. See, look at this. There is some changes there here in the letter style. Is it visible to your output?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All should respond once. See, here is I changed only for H1. So that is why here is what style letter style is changed. Algerian style is there. Okay. So in this way, whatever font family you want, you can keep it. So according to the customer requirement, the developer has to be develop the programming and hand over to the customer. Okay. Our aim is we have to satisfy the customer as a programmer, as a software developer, as a CEO of the company. I have to satisfy the customer. Once the customer is satisfied, then our program is product, our program, our company will be succeed. That you always remember. Okay. Be connected all. I'll take the attendance. Be connect all. Be connect. Okay, thank you for attending the class. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.